Are you coming down? It's Happy Easter time. I think something's down here for you. Where's Addison? Come on, Miss Addie.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yeah, come on, baby. Come see what's down here.
Balloons.
Yeah, the balloons died. Come on, come see.
Papa.
Good morning. Come on down. Whoa. Come on.
Mommy.
Come on, come see. I see some stuff. Come here. Come see. Come see. Oh, what do you see over there? What do you see? What do you see?
You're looking for eggs. Where's your basket to put them in? You gotta put something to put them in.
Do you see eggs? You found an egg? There's money in the egg.
Oh. Where's your something to put it in?
Yeah. What's that down on the floor? Yeah, come in, come here. Come see what Mama has in here. Come see.
What's that big old thing over there?
What's that? What do you see?
Riley. What's that right there?
What's this?
Go ahead and put another one. Oh, right. You'll put it in the chair?
Yeah. Wow, you finding all the eggs? I think you're finding all the money eggs, Riley. Are you putting them in your basket? Where's more eggs, girls? I think there's still some hiding. Did the Easter Bunny bring some eggs? Look for more. I think I see some more. Oh, you putting them all in the basket?
Mommy.
What? Do you see more? What do you see over there? Oh, there's Mickey and Minnie on those baskets, huh? Yeah? What's in there? It's sidewalk chalk eggs. Yeah. You want them out? I think you need to go find some more eggs first. Do you see more? What's over here? What's over here on the couch? No milk? Yeah. Did Riley find more? Oh, there's another one. Oh, another egg? What's over there? Look by your Pluto. Look behind you. What's over there? What's over there by Pluto?
Mommy.
Yeah. Are you finding more eggs? Riley found another one. They're on the couch. You put them over there by your basket?
Did you bring some more?
Yours is the pink one, baby.
Look. There's another one up there. Looky.
one?
Me.
Oh, wow. You go put them by your basket? Wow. Can you find more? It's green, yeah.
That?
Can you find more?
Oh no. Oh,
Good job, girls. Can you find any more eggs? You gotta look.
eggs.
What's up there on the couch? Huh? Can you go get that? Wow.
Reach.
Did sister reach it? Riley, you gotta get your own, baby. Do you see any more? Look by Daddy's foot. Look by Daddy's foot. What's down there? Oh, another egg.
Eggs.
Eggs. Is there any more? Yeah, but what about up here? Look by Pluto. I think Pluto's got something by him. What about down by your feet? What about down by your feet? What's this? What's that down there? Look by your feet. Look down there. Oh, there's another one. Another one. Good babies. Did the Easter Bunny come, girls?